In this video, I will show you how to turn off Apple Intelligence on your device. To begin the process of turning off Apple Intelligence, first, locate and open the Settings app on your iPhone. Once you've opened the Settings app, scroll down until you see Apple Intelligence and Siri. Now that you're in the Apple Intelligence and Siri settings, look for the switch next to Apple Intelligence. This toggle allows you to enable or disable the feature easily. To turn off Apple Intelligence, simply tap on the switch so that it moves from green to gray. After toggling it off, a prompt will appear asking if you're sure about this decision. At this point, you'll need to confirm your choice. Tap on Turn off Apple Intelligence, which will finalize the process. Once confirmed, this feature will no longer operate on your device. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.